You're not going to believe this, but there's a Faceless YouTube channel out there making up to $37,000 per month. Yes, you heard that right, $37,000 per month. And all they do is post a few spooky videos each month, and somehow each video gets millions of views. Now, if you're sitting there wondering how you can do the same, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can start your own horror story channel, create some content, and fingers crossed, make some serious cash, all with the help of AI tools. You'll learn how to do this in just 7 simple steps. So let's get started. Alright, first things first, you'll need to create a YouTube channel. There's already a lot of great content out there that shows you how to set up a YouTube channel from scratch, so I'm not going to go into details here. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to generate a memorable name for your channel. If you don't have any idea, you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. Just ask, give me 10 scary YouTube channel name ideas, and ChatGPT will give you all these cool sounding names. Pick one that you like and you're good to go. For me, I really like this one, so I will go for this one right here. Next, let's give your channel a makeover. You'll need a cool logo and a banner. For this, we can use Leonardo AI to create some cool images. Go to Leonardo AI, set the aspect ratio to 1:1, and enter a prompt like, design a spooky logo for horror story YouTube channel. And here, it looks pretty cool. Once you've got something, you can download it and upload it to YouTube as your logo. Now, for your banner, we will use Canva for this, since they have tons of templates for YouTube banners. Choose a banner you like, change the color and fonts, and put in your channel name. I'm gonna go with this one right here. Okay, looks pretty cool. Alright, now comes the fun part. We're going to write our horror story. And we will again ask our best friend ChatGPT for help. But if you just use a simple prompt like, write me a spooky story, then you probably will be quite disappointed for the results, as it is going to be so general and not so engaging. What we want here is something that sounds like a real life story. So you can use a more detailed prompt like this that you can find in the description down below. Once you're happy with your story, ask ChatGPT to break it into sections and create prompts for generating images that match each scene. Some people use only one image for the entire story, but to increase your audience engagement, I suggest you use multiple images. Okay, now we can even ask it to organize our scenes and visuals into a table format to make our job a little easier. Now, unless you're a voice actor in disguise, you probably want some help with the narration. And for that, we will use 11 Labs. This is one of the best voice generator AI tools out there. And yes, it is a paid tool, but you can start with only $5 per month. And if you're really serious about this, then I suggest you go with the creator plan directly. You can click on the link down below to sign up. Once you do, you will see that the platform is really easy to use. They have a lot of voices to choose from, but I suggest you to go with a deeper voice here, because that would perfectly match the spooky mood of our stories. Once you've picked a voice, just paste your script into the text box, and after you generate the voiceover, give it a listen. If you're not happy with it, you can regenerate it until it's perfect. By the way, if you need help on how to use 11 Labs, I do have some tutorials here on my channel, so make sure to watch them. When you're happy with your voiceover, just download the audio file. And now let's create some visuals to go with our story. For this, we'll again use Leonardo AI to generate some images. So what you want to do is you copy and paste each prompt, you generate the images, and download them all. Just remember to set the aspect ratio to 16:9 this time. Now we have the visuals and voiceover. We can start piecing everything together. And all you need is a simple video editing software. You can use any software that you prefer, but for me, CapCut is a great choice, since you can use this completely for free. Drop your voiceover in images here and align them to make sure the visuals match the narration. Then you can add some spooky transitions and effects to really set the mood. And now there's just one thing missing, the background music. And for this, the easiest way is to find royalty-free horror tracks on YouTube Audio Library, so you won't have a copyright issue. Listen to the tracks and download one that you like and then add it to your video. Just remember to lower the volume. You can even add some sound effects if you're really good at this. Okay, we're nearly there, so just stick with me. Now, our video is done, but if you want to make it more engaging, you can add subtitles. Use the text tool in your video editor to create captions. And for CapCut Desktop, if you need auto captions, you will need a paid plan. For the thumbnail, I will use Canva to design an eye-catching image. But don't overcomplicate things. Use a scary image as background like this, and some spooky fonts like this one. You can change the colors, and then you're good to go. Finally, it's time to upload your video. Simply fill in the title with relevant keywords, write a description, and upload your thumbnail. And then hit publish. And voila! As for me, I'm going to upload this to the new channel, and I'll update you on how it goes. So if you want to know how it performs, make sure to subscribe right now and stay tuned for the updates. To be honest with you though, like any business, you will need to upload consistently to see some traction. It's not going to work overnight, so stay consistent and keep uploading high quality content if you decide to go for it. And once you hit a certain threshold, then you can apply to join a partner program and start earning some ad revenue for your hard work. And that's it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to creating a successful faceless horror story channel. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel right now. And if you want to learn more about 11 Labs for your voiceovers, click on this video right now to watch it, and I'll see you there.
It was close to midnight when I boarded the train. The day had dragged on longer than usual, the kind of shift that seems endless until you're finally released into the cold, empty night. I stepped into the car, the whoosh of the doors closing behind me, sealing me inside with the dim fluorescent lights and the lingering scent of metal and something else, something faintly sweet, but off. The train was almost empty, save for an older man slumped over in the far corner, his face hidden beneath a wide-brimmed hat. I sat down, settling into the worn plastic seat, the vibrations of the train humming up through the soles of my feet. As the train lurched forward, I stared out the window into the darkness, my reflection staring back at me, ghostly and tired. The world outside was a blur, the city lights turning into streaks of gold and white, dissolving into the blackness of tunnels. I closed my eyes, letting the rhythm of the tracks beneath lull me into a half-sleep, that strange space between dreaming and waking, where time loses meaning. The first noise was subtle, barely more than a faint rustle. I ignored it, attributing it to the sound of the old man shifting in his seat, or maybe the wind pressing against the train's metal shell. But then, a minute later, it came again, this time clearer. It wasn't the wind, nor was it the man. It was a scraping, like nails dragged lightly across metal. I opened my eyes and glanced around, but the car was still as empty as before.